Hey everybody, it's Troy,
Logan,
and Logan from Roadside RC. We are here today with a Haiboxing 12th scale desert truck. Check this out. Now you've seen on the channel we have the 16th scale and the 18th scale Haiboxing trucks. We've actually been pretty dang happy with them, especially once this guy showed us where the high speed versus low speed switch was. It's kind of useful. So I'm bringing him along today as we unbox this 12th scale desert truck. Check this thing out. We need some AA batteries. Go wherever you want, because what you have is an off-road truck. So we're going to be able to test that and see how that goes. It is four-wheel drive. It says fully metal drive shafts. It looks like the shocks might actually be oil filled, so we are going to check that out. Ball bearings, runs on the 2.4 gigahertz system, has a gear diff transmission, and at least splash proof, maybe not fully submersible, but at least splash proof electronics. Let's get this thing open and see what it looks like. Look at that. That actually looks pretty interesting. The wheels are kind of an interesting choice.
all the way metal.
Oh, look at that. Metal drive shafts, both front and rear.
Charger, a big battery.
Look at that. Battery is a 2S 1600 milliamp hour, so that is nice. Even comes with a wrench for the wheels, and that looks like kind of the standard 2-spot charger that they give you with some of the other vehicles. What do we have? A service card for thank you for choosing them. Hey, look, that looks familiar. More stickers! So just like some of the other Haiboxing vehicles, it looks like the plastic actually is still on the body. And so you can pull that plastic off, and then you have more stickers that you can put on it. Ooh, an instruction manual. Who reads those? Except for my son to tell me that there's a high-low speed on some of these. And lastly, it looks like the same controller as the 16889 that we did. And yes, Logan, there is a speed switch. Go ahead and turn that all the way to high right now. It was almost all the way off, so all the way to high right now. There we go. So here we are, we put the desert truck on, we put some of the front grille stuff on, shows interior details. Now 4 body clips. And this comes off. Whoop. It does come off, and check this out. As it comes off, look at this, a coiled wire to both the headlights here and so up here to I'm assuming LED screen up behind there. And so that is pretty sweet. I like the ingenuity here of the coiled wire. Now there is 2S battery that comes, there's 2 actually that comes in it. One is in here and one is in the bag to spare with it. It's interesting here how it comes with this chassis cover. We've had another brand of vehicle that has done that once before. Good and bad. One, it helps keep everything clean in there. On the bad side, if you do need to work on it, it is a few more screws to get in there, but I think it also helps to add strength. So I'm really curious to see how strong this thing is and how durable it might be. We might have a winner on our hands. Again, we're looking at, not only are they apparently at least potentially adjustable, it feels like 0 oil in there.
Feel the front. They
very floppy. Yeah, there's still no oil in there. It looks like maybe there could be. We can take these off later. There's even a little bleed screw, and these are actually plastic adjustable shocks. So definitely a little bit better than what we're seeing on the 16th scale and 18th scale from. All right, so here we have the 3 Haiboxing vehicles that we have right now. So this is the 12th scale that we just unboxed. Here's the 16th scale, the 16889, and then here's the Rampage 12th scale. So you can really get an idea truly of the scale difference there. It's pretty noticeable, right? Pretty noticeable for sure. You know, and we've been really, really happy, especially with this 16th scale. Has good ground clearance, and this one's pretty close. It's actually fairly low down, but I think it'll handle really well. Interested to give it a shot. All right, so first run, first thoughts. It's pretty good. We've already got it nice and dirty. It jumps, it's durable. I bet we take this thing to like a skate park and we will have a blast with it in our backyard. It's still fun. Now it is time to give it, though, another test, which is versus its little brother. So this is the 16th scale, 16889, that you've seen other videos with on our channel. We're gonna see if it's actually faster than that, because I have a theory that the 16th scale might be faster. So we have the 16th scale, lights on, 12th scale, lights on. We're gonna race down to this line and see who wins. Call it, Logan.
3, 2, 1, go!
You jumped!
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, so we did 2 races. Logan won one of them, I won one of them. They're the same speed. All right, now we're gonna do one in the grass.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, and the 12th scale wins it. All right, so there you go, the new Haiboxing 12th scale desert buggy truck thing, the 2995, and there's the Haiboxing 16889. 2 very, very good choices, 2 very good contenders in this whole, you know, budget under $100 RC realm. Really pretty happy with both of them. Speed is good, power is good. Is it gonna usurp the Arrma and Traxxas Basher King world? No, it's not. But is it fun? Yes. Completely, utterly enjoy both of these vehicles. For the price, you can't beat them. Great for gifts, that kind of thing. Be looking for more on these on our channel coming up. Thank you folks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.